Was it an assassination? CIO director dies suddenly at Zororo Cemetery. The 17th of August, 2025, Vertical Bar Harare. Assassination. 2 days later, YAZOSVIKA remained silent over the death of CIO director Econ Nair, who dropped dead at Zororo Cemetery. Vertical Bar on ZIMI has published this news. The director of economics in Zimbabwe's Central Intelligence Organization, CIO, identified as Nair, has died after collapsing at Zororo Cemetery. According to witnesses, Nair was attending the funeral of a tenant who had been renting from his father when he suddenly collapsed. Efforts to resuscitate him were unsuccessful, and he was pronounced dead at the scene. The sudden passing has shocked colleagues and members of the security community, where Nair was regarded as a key figure in economic intelligence operations. Details surrounding the exact cause of his death remain unclear, and government authorities, including the CIO, have not yet issued an official statement. Funeral arrangements and further announcements are expected in due course.